All right, this is our pizza crust. Now I have some slices of ham, and I'm just gonna go ahead and place these across my pizza dough. Now we have some Swiss cheese, and I'm just gonna place that right on top of my ham. All right, now for the fun part, we're gonna take our dough, starting with the short edge from the bottom, and we're just going to roll it on top of itself. And you're just gonna roll everything right up, just like this. Ooh, yeah, and you're gonna get a super thick log, just like this. Okay, now we have to take a knife and we need to go ahead and cut our log in half. Make sure you have a sharp knife for this. I have a very sharp knife, so cut it in half. Then we're just gonna cut our halves into halves. So really, what you're doing is cutting your log into quarters. I think we're just gonna have to cut these in half. Okay, now we have 8 pinwheels here. Now we have a greased 9x13 baking dish, and we're just gonna place these cuties right into our dish. Make sure those ends are nice and sealed up. There we go. Just give them each a little bit of space, just like that. And these are going in the oven at 350 for 15 minutes. All right, while that's in the oven, we are gonna go ahead and make a sauce. We have here 6 tablespoons of melted butter going right into our little bowl here. Then we have some Worcestershire sauce, and you just need 2 teaspoons of that, so not too much. Then we have some Dijon mustard, and we just need about half a tablespoon of Dijon mustard right in there. And then this is optional, but I'm adding some minced onion. We just need about 1 teaspoon of minced onion. And then also some poppy seeds, optional. Same thing, 1 teaspoon. Did you know that poppy seeds will make you fail a drug test? Did you know that, David?
I didn't know that.
Yeah, I heard that on the internet.
Oh, wow.
It's okay though, I'm not taking any drug tests. Whew, I'm fine. So you're just gonna go ahead and whisk that up until it's nice and combined. And it looks like a beautiful glaze, just like that. Can't wait to brush these on our pinwheels when they come out the oven. Ooh, these smell so good, but we're not done yet. They were actually in the oven for more like 30 minutes. I guess the dough was thicker this time, but here's our mixture. It thickened up a little bit, which is totally fine because these are nice and hot. Oh, yum. Ooh, I love these. Oh, so you just want to quickly just brush this mixture onto each one. Give it a nice little glaze. Oh, and I love the poppy seeds. They make it so cute, don't they, David?
Oh, they do.
Just get all of them completely coated. Awesome. Put your oven mitts back on. You can't just pick this up. And then we're popping it back in for 10 minutes. Oh, these smell heavenly. Can't wait to eat one. But before we do, we have some chopped parsley here. I'm just gonna take a little bit of this, sprinkle it on oh so gently. Thank you. And I did let these sit for 5 minutes. before eating them. And look at that. Ooh, they're still hot. Ooh, it's gonna be so good. Oh, wow. Ooh, it's hot. Take a look at that bottom though, too. Ooh, yum. Look at that. Oh, it's so good.